Hey friends, what's up? And in this video, I want to tell you all what you gotta do as soon as you see your onions starting to sprout. In this season, I've already released videos showing how to grow big onions in just one season by planting seeds. I already showed how I hung onions here, and now they're starting to sprout. In the previous video, I mentioned that in order for onion seeds to sprout quickly, these containers should be placed in a warm, dark place. Upon the emergence of the stairs, we promptly place these containers beneath the lamps, or alternatively, you may position the onion on the windowsill. Onions are not afraid of cold air from the window. They will grow well there without any fear of the chilling temperatures. But the main thing now is to help the seedlings grow better. You know, when onions start sprouting, if you plant them too close together like I did, not all the seeds can wake up. And you see, here soon sprouts will also grow. The ground has cracked, and that indicates that there is a whole bunch of sprouts here which lifts the ground up. And in order to assist the seedlings, you have to take them and provide the soil with a thorough watering from the top. As you can see, the land has dried up a bit, and this way the soil will become softer and the seedlings will sprout more easily. And now we're going to do some watering. You see, here it also cracked. So in about a day, all the cabbage sprouts will pop up in our garden. This is one variety of onions planted, and here's another. As you can see, he's just starting to make a name for himself. And this is what the onion looks like the day after watering and after I place it under the lamps for additional light. She is green, grows vertically, as you can observe, a sophisticated onion. She effortlessly emerges from the ground now and does not become trapped in it. Therefore, there will be a plethora of seedlings. Same here, this type of plant comes out a little later. However, at present, it is much easier for him to grow and develop. So folks, make sure if you're growing onions or want to do it, first of all come to my channel and watch the full video on how to grow onions in one season from seeds. I'll leave it in the top right corner, and also subscribe and don't miss the release of new videos where I'll timely give you advice. If you liked the video, be sure to give it a like. Don't forget to share this video with your buddies on social media and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on new videos. Wish you a successful day and see you in the new videos. See you later.